Hi, to turn on developer options on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, first thing we need to do is open settings and here find about phone tab, which is last tab here. So tap it and then scroll a bit more and tap on software information. After you did this, you'll see build number on which you need to tap 7 times to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now developer mode has been turned on, so we can simply go back 2 times like that. And now under About Phone tab, developer options appears. So here you can change some of these settings, you can adjust them, you can find such settings as auto update system. So if you would like for your phone to update when it restores, you can enable it by tapping on the switcher. And also you can find here USB debugging and more cool features which you can enable or disable. When you are done changing these settings, you can disable developer options. For that, simply tap on the switcher and now go back and this tab will simply disappear. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!